Okay, today, ladies and gents, we're going to talk about how to embed an interactive Google map into your website, or any embed code into your website for that matter. But I'm going to show you using an example with Google Maps. So the first thing you want to do is open up Google Maps, and you want to have done it signed in with your Google account. Once you've done that, click on this My Places to show you an example. I have this one map that I've done for my brother's website called North Texas Residential Inspections Service Area. And he works in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and this is the area he services with his business. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So I'm going to go back to My Places, and I'm going to press this button which says Create Map. Okay, and it's going to pretty much show the exact same area as it just did. You can change this. I could move this around, and if I wanted to show something in in Oklahoma or wherever I want to go in the entire world, I can show that. I need to go ahead and give it a title, and well, if I can ever get the text selected, I will type in test and test map. For the description, you write whatever you'd like. And I'm going to leave this unlisted, meaning that it's only going to be shared with the people who have the map's URL. And because I'm going to only embed this in the website, only people on the website are going to be able to see this particular map. So that being done, I could save it and press done. But if I want to show a service area like I was showing you before, this is how you do that. If you click on this far right thing with a little line that looks like an N on it, you could draw a line, draw a line along roads, or draw a shape. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a shape. So I'm going to just click somewhere to start drawing a shape, and I'm going to keep clicking around the area that I want to be my service area. And once I finish it, the shape is closed. I can give the shape a title and a description, whatever you want, and you can also edit some of the things on the shape, its color and its opacity and lines and things of that nature. And once you're done with that, you can press OK, and there you go. There's your map. Now, normally, you should just be able to press on this link, and you should be able to copy this HTML for your website. Now, right now it's grayed out, and I have no idea why Google is doing this. But I'm going to go ahead and press the Save button, and done. And if I were to click on this again, it's still showing as grayed out. Again, I have no idea why it's doing that, but this map cannot be embedded. It says it right here. Once you press on this Help button and go to another website, basically, and go right back to it again, go to My Places, and click on our test map. And I might want to zoom out a bit on that. And click on this link again. All of a sudden, this is not grayed out anymore. So if I click in this field right here, it highlights all the text that I need. I'm just going to press Control-C, and I'll have copied all that text. And it says customize and preview embedded map, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to worry about that. Once you've copied all of the text in this field, then you're ready to go. So now I'm going to open up my Designer Pro, or Web Designer, whatever it is you're using, and I have pulled in just an example website from the Designs Gallery. And I'm going to make a few edits to this. First of all, I'm going to get rid of this picture. Then I'm going to take this and move it all over the side here. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle with my rectangle tool. And this is going to be where my map is going to go. And I can adjust how that's positioned a little bit, and et cetera, et cetera. Next thing I want to look at is the size of the map. So it's 490 pixels wide and 339 tall, just to make that round numbers. Let me undo that. I'm going to change that to 490 by 340. Okay, just so they're easy to remember numbers. I turned off the locked aspect ratio so I could change one without changing the other. So once that's done, then with this rectangle selected, I'm going to press the link properties, and I'm going to go to the placeholder tab, and in this HTML code body, I'm going to click on that button, and I'm going to press Control V to paste. Because I deleted that picture. So hold on, let me go back. Cancel and go back to my web page. Remember I deleted the picture off the website? That put that in the clipboard instead of this text. So I'm going to press Control C again to copy it, go back here and follow my steps again. Press the link key, go to placeholder, HTML code body, and press Control V, and there's my text. Now I'm doing it this way because I want to show you how to do something that this is the way I would do it anyway. I'm doing it this way because I want to make sure that I know exactly how big I want this to be. Right now this iframe width is 425 width by 350 high. Well, that's not what I want it to be. I want it to be this, which I've already blocked out. And blocking out the picture or the rectangle on the screen gives me a good idea of how exactly wide and high I want it to be. Normally, you don't have to do this. You could, if you just want to accept this, paste it onto the page, just Control V onto the page, and at some place will embed the, will create a placeholder with all this in it, which is all well and good, but again, I like to be able to see how much of the page I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and change these numbers to be the same as what I have here. So the width is 490, and the height is 340, so 340. And I'll leave the rest of it alone, say OK, press apply, OK, and as soon as I preview this website, there is my map on my web page. And you can view the map test in a larger, you can view test in a larger map if you wanted to. By clicking on that, it would open up Google Maps and go straight to it. But the nice thing about this is that, and it's still loading, it hasn't quite finished loading everything yet. There's my service area. So, which is all well and good. And the really cool thing about this is that this is a completely interactive map. So I can move it around, I can zoom out, I can zoom in, and move around. I can use the different, the satellite or the terrain maps, right? And if I have Google Earth installed, then I can see the Google Earth version. But that's how you do it. And I hope you found that interesting and useful, and we'll come back again next time.